Welcome to the Solidworks channel. Today's post, folding angle iron, 2 corners on the same plane. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a sketch on the front plane. Step 2. Create angle iron. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5 mm. Angle iron rotation. Modify the size of angle iron. Fix to 30 × 3 angle iron. Step 3. Create sheet metal. Select the original sketch. Select the Sheet Metal tab. Direction 1 to vertex. Choose this point. T1 equals 3 mm, R equals 3 mm. Step 4. Process the model and combine. The part of angle iron must not touch this zone. So we're going to cut out this residue. Create a sketch on the front plane. We're going to create a sketch like that. Same with the rest. Use the extruded cut command. Direction 1. Through all. Select the cutting part is seagull iron. Select Insert Features Combine. Flatten and check. The angle iron length is not on the main coordinate axis. We're going to change the fixed plane. Select Edit. Reselecting the fixed plane is this one. The angle iron length is located along the x-axis. So our model is done. Now, we're going to modify the size to get the new model. Fix the side length and angle of the shock. Edit sketch. Modify the size of angle iron. Edit sketch. Fix to V 50 times for M. Resize the sheet metal. R equals 4 mm, T equals 4 mm. Flatten and check. So our new model is done. Last step. Save the step file and cut it using TubeKit software. Select the new 5 steps. The TubeKit software did not receive the step file. Let's modify the Solidworks file. The cut should not touch this surface. We need to fix it. Create a sketch on this plane. .1 mm. Use the extruded cut command. Direction 1. Select up to surface. Choose this face. Select Merge Result to make it a single block. Save the step file. Let's go back to the TubeKit software. So our angle iron has been received. Simulation of cutting. Choose 2. Nest. Export CNC files. This is a CNC file. Thank you for watching all my video. Don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to others. Goodbye and see you later.